Hey everyone, it's Joe from Bar T. This month we've got a new idea we're excited to try out. We've realized that homework time is actually pretty disruptive to us getting to our clubs that we enjoy so much every afternoon, and fewer of the kids are being assigned homework by their teachers. Now, as someone who's hated homework since the day I was introduced to it in kindergarten, I'm really excited about this idea. So what we've decided to do is we're going to actually remove homework time as a set block in the Bar T afternoon. Instead, we're going to replace it with a study hall club that's going to run alongside our other clubs every afternoon and every morning, and by default, we're going to assume that your child does not have homework. Now, we know that isn't the case for everyone. There's some families that want us to complete their homework, and we're here to support that. If you know that your child has homework and you want them to complete it at Bar T, follow the link provided in this email, or just speak to your director and we'll take care of that. Otherwise, we're going to move straight into the fun because we're excited for the clubs that we've got prepared for this coming month. It's a new idea and we're excited to try it out. Please let me know if it works or if it doesn't. As always, if there's anything we could be doing better, please let us know, and thank you for choosing Bar T.